So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see what are scatter charts in Power BI. A scatter chart shows the relationship between two numerical values. A bubble chart replaces data points with bubble size representing another feature. So for this tutorial, I have made a scatter chart. This is basically a scatter chart which represents profit, sales, quantity by subcategory. On the x-axis, I have profit. On the y-axis, I have sales. And the size of bubbles, they are depending on the quantity. Bigger the size of bubble implies more number of quantity for that particular subcategory. So let's see how we can make this. So for that, I will create a new page, drag and drop scatter plot on the dashboard pane. We'll make it bigger. We'll bring it over here. Now in the legends, I will put subcategory. In the x-axis, I will put profit. In y-axis, I will put sales. And in the size, I will put quantity. So as you guys can see, we have successfully created a scatter chart. So in this way, one can make scatter chart in Power BI. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.